Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Okay, get ready. Sum of n terms of AP is today's concept. So, number of terms are given in AP, then how to add? Suppose 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus so on. Some 50 terms are there. If you take 50 terms, if you add, then what is your answer? Okay, that is the concept we are learning today. For this, a basic formula is there. Okay, basic one, which a third or fourth class child can understand. Okay, now I am telling that basic one. From this basic concept, I will derive the formula for sum of n terms. Suppose if I ask you a question, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus 100 is equal to how much? Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus 100 is equal to how much? Okay, then I am considering this is as sum. I am considering this is as yes. Now I am rewriting the series. Once please check 100, 99, 98, 97 plus so on 1. Same answer yes only. Okay, 1 to 100 or 100 to 1. If you add, you will get the same answer. That is nothing but yes. Now I am adding each and every part in the question. Okay, I am adding 100 plus 1, 101, 99 plus 2, 101, 98 plus 3, 101, 97 plus 4, 101, plus so on, plus 101, s plus s, that is 2s. Okay, now he asked the value of s, where I got the value of 2s. Okay, say one example like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 5 are there. What is your answer? Simply we will tell 5 into 2. Suppose 12, 12, 12, 12, 5 times is there. Can we write 5 into 12? This is nothing but multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Now the same way here, 101, 101, 101. How many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus so on. How many times? 100 times are there. If we add together, what is the answer then? 100 times. 100 into 101 is equal to 2s. Where I asked only the value of s, not 2 times the s. If into 2 come to this side, 100 into 101 by 2. That is sum of the terms. Then 2 in 100, how many times? 50 times. 50 into 101, 50, 50. So the answer of first 100 natural numbers is equal to 50, 50. Okay. So what I did? Just I reversed the series and I added to the original series. How I got each number the same. Okay. The same philosophy or the same concept I will take to generate or to create a formula, to derive a formula, sum of n terms in AP. Now, I am taking the general form of AP. AP general form. A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, this is first term, second term, third term, and I am taking nth term. Which term it is? Nth term. So how many terms I am taking? N terms. I am rewriting the series again. I want the sum is how much? The sum is how much? Yes. I am rewriting a plus n minus 1 into d. Just before term, imagine a plus n minus 2 into d, a plus n minus 3 into d, plus so on. Last term is a is equal to s. Then before term is a plus d, before term is a plus 2d. So on. Now I am adding these two. S plus s is equal to 2s. Here I am adding. Here no d term. In the numerator, okay, beginning no d term. So I am adding a and a. A and a is how much? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is first one. Okay, this is first one. Now second one I am adding. Okay, second one. A plus a, 2a plus, here see d, n minus 2, d is there. I am adding here plus d, n minus 2 into d. That is n minus 2 into d. I am taking d common. Then what is here? 1 plus n minus 2. So n minus 1. So how much we got? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now third one, a plus a. 2a plus, I am taking this one also here. Okay, I am doing some rough work. What is that? 2d plus n minus 3 into d. I am taking 2d common. 2 plus n minus 3. So d plus, that is n minus 1. So n minus 1 into d. So on. A plus a. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now each and every term we got the same. What is that? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is first term. This is second term. This is third term. So on. This is nth term. So total how many terms are there? N terms are there. If 5 terms, 5 into. 10 terms, 10 into. N terms, n into. N into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2 times s. I don't want 2 times s. I want s only. Then s is equal to into 2 transfer by 2. Simply I will write here into 2 transfer is by 2. I am writing n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now I got a formula. What is that formula? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sn. Sum of n terms. This is first term, second term, third term, nth term. So how many terms I added here to get s? Sum of n terms is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I am little diverging this formula, that is, in one more way also we can write n by 2 into n by 2 into, can I write 2a as a plus a? Right? A plus a n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n by 2. Now see, this is a. What is a? First term. Okay? What is a? First term. What is a plus n minus 1 into d? Nth term. So can I write first term plus nth term? So Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into first term plus last term or nth term. Okay, the same way I can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So sum of n terms is equal to formula I can write in three different ways. One is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into first term plus nth term, or n by 2 into a plus l, where a is equal to first term, l is the last term or nth term of the series. This is known as sum of n terms of AP.